What's up, guys? It's Vanna Black here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to talk about 5 ways to start your healing process. The healing process is a journey, so I'm sure there's multiple ways that people go through that process, but I wanted to give you guys 5 ways to start your healing journey. Step number 1 is to take care of yourself. You have to take care of you. You can't show up for everybody else if you're not showing up for yourself. So take some time to take care of you. Create a self-care routine. Meditate, journal. Do things that resonates with your spirit, that takes care of you internally. When you look good, you feel good. So get your hair done. Get your nails done. If I don't got my hair, my nails, none of that done, like, I feel like the world has ended. But when I got it done, girl, you can't tell me nothing. You hear me? Like, I'm talking about on 10. So make it a point to take care of yourself, okay? Make it a mission to take care of yourself. That's first and foremost. Number 2 is you want to set boundaries. Set boundaries for the people in your life. Like, everybody don't have to have access to you. Everybody does not need to know the new you. Everybody does not need to know, like, hey, you know, what is she doing? What she got going on? Where is she going? And, you know, cut some people off. Set some boundaries for the people in your life. Like, if you're in a relationship and it's not going how you expect it to go, look, set some boundaries. Let somebody know, like, look, baby, this isn't working for me. I'm sorry, this isn't working for me. You gotta start setting boundaries for yourself if you want to start your healing journey, because people will continue to walk all over you if you let them. Step 3, you want to work on your negative thoughts. You have to control those negative thoughts the best way you can, whether you're journaling to write them out, whether you are meditating to clear your mind, going to yoga to control your breathing, doing things that's going to help you be a better you. Negative thoughts ruin your day. Like, it literally ruins your day from the moment you wake up. Like, oh, I don't even want to get out of this bed. Negative thought. Instead of saying, oh, thank you, God, for this day. Like, something like that. It don't have to be that exactly, but we have to try to be mindful of those thoughts. If you catch it, then counteract it with a positive thought. Like, darn, I don't want to go to work today. You know what? I'm not even going to say that. Thank God I have a job today. Darn, I can't stand these kids. You know what? I thank God for my kids, because if it wasn't for them, I wouldn't be where I am today. Try to counteract that negative thought into a more positive one. Step number 4, start a new hobby. Hobbies keep you going. Like, it's something new in your life. It's something refreshing. It's something that you want to do. I don't care. Fit it in your budget to start a new hobby, whether that's you being a plant mom. Like, that's the simplest thing you can do, is go to Home Depot, get you a $7 plant, and learn how to water plants and take care of plants. Or do something that just allows you to feel fresh, feel new, feel whole. And the last step is to give yourself grace. Like, it's okay. Every day is not gonna be a great day. Every day is not gonna go as planned. But if you give yourself some grace to say, look, man, I am better than I was yesterday. I am better than I was a year ago. I am better than I was 5 years ago. Cut yourself some slack. Reflect on the things that you have accomplished and be proud of them, okay? Be proud of them, because that, my friend, is going to help you start your healing process. Thank you so much for tuning into my YouTube channel. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got some valuable information. Make sure you like and subscribe for more of these videos. Thank you.